the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE could emerge as this year's unexpected standout. And for all the right reasons. Just when it seemed like everything was predictable, fresh leaks and benchmark results are offering a more detailed and thrilling look at Samsung's upcoming budget-friendly flagship. Whether you've been closely tracking the Galaxy FE series or are simply intrigued by Samsung's strategy for this fan-favorite range, there are some notable developments ahead. Let's start by defining what the Galaxy S25 FE is. Simply put, it's a more wallet-friendly variant of the Galaxy S25. Samsung usually introduces these fan edition models with a few trade-offs to reduce pricing, yet they still deliver commendable performance and premium-grade features, often earning the moniker of flagship killers. And this year's Galaxy S25 FE seems to uphold that reputation. The most buzzed-about element of this device has been its chipset. Early leaks strongly suggested Samsung would opt for the Exynos 2400 processor, a slightly downscaled version of the standard Exynos 2400. Then came alternate reports hinting at the use of MediaTek's Dimensity 9400, particularly if Exynos production faced limitations. Well, that speculation may now be settled. A Galaxy S25 FE prototype has just been spotted on Geekbench. And guess what? It's powered by the Exynos 2400, neither the reduced 2400E nor the Dimensity 9400. This represents a substantial enhancement over earlier predictions. Granted, the performance gap between the 2400E and the full Exynos 2400 may be minimal, just a 100 MHz uplift in clock speed, but it still signals progress. It reflects Samsung's intent to provide improved performance even in its more accessible devices. And there's more promising news. The Galaxy S25 FE is confirmed to offer at least 8 GB of RAM, according to the Geekbench entry. That's ample for multitasking, gaming, and virtually every mobile task in 2025. While storage variants aren't listed in the benchmark, we can expect the usual range, 128 GB, 256 GB, and possibly 512 GB for power users. Another notable revelation is that the S25 FE will debut with Android 16 pre-installed. This means users will experience the most recent software interface the moment they power up the device. No need to wait for firmware updates. And it's not only the internal hardware receiving subtle upgrades. According to new leaks, Samsung is also enhancing the selfie camera. The Galaxy S25 FE is expected to sport a 12MP front camera, up from the 10MP sensor on the Galaxy S24 FE. While that may not sound dramatic on paper, every improvement matters, especially for users who frequently video chat or enjoy taking selfies. So, when is the Galaxy S25 FE expected to be released? Reports suggest Samsung plans to unveil the device this autumn. The launch is likely to follow the introduction of its next-gen foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, which are anticipated to arrive slightly earlier in the season. All things considered, the Galaxy S25 FE appears to be a strategic and somewhat surprising decision from Samsung. Although early rumors had some fans concerned about a performance downgrade or a shift to MediaTek chips, it now seems the company is reinforcing its commitment to its proprietary Exynos platform, delivering stronger than expected processing, additional RAM, better camera capabilities, and the newest Android version, all at a reduced cost. While it may not rival the raw power of the Galaxy S25 or its Ultra model, it's shaping up to be a compelling option for those seeking flagship-level specs without the flagship-level cost. It's a strong indication that Samsung remains firmly invested in the FE lineup, and that's excellent news for fans of value-driven smartphones. So, if you're debating whether to wait for the Galaxy S25 FE or choose another device, it might be wise to hold off just a little longer. This fan edition could easily be one of Samsung's most calculated and appealing releases.